Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add music to your PlayStation 5 in Sharefactory without using a USB stick or a PC. You can actually use a device just like your phone. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So this method uses an auxiliary cable just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and just record something off my phone and then put it onto my PlayStation. And I can literally have anything. I can just go onto like youtube.com and record an entire song. So an auxiliary cable has pretty much two headphone jack ends just like this, the male ends. And I can plug one end into my phone just like this and then plug the other end into my controller. So let's plug this into my controller. And I gotta make sure that I don't have a headset plugged in. Otherwise, what I can do is go to the PlayStation button, then open up the control center, then go on over to mic, select that, then go to mic and go to headset controller. So you have the mic on the headset working. So now that we have that set up, we can go to the output device and just set it to like the headset controller once again too. Then go ahead and open up a project in Sharefactory just like this, and then find something on your phone that you want to go ahead and record. So I'm just going to go to youtube.com and then just select my channel right here, YourSixStudios, and then play something off of here. So I have this video I'm going to go ahead and record right here. Then I'm going to skip the ad and then go to the video actually. So once I have the video all set up, make sure the volume is turned up on your phone. So the volume is set to max pretty much. Then on the Sharefactory timeline, press X, then go over to Add Track 2. Once you have that selected, if you have a camera, you should see the camera up on your screen right now. Then press X again. Then go to Record Audio. Press X on Record Audio. Then the countdown timer will go ahead and count down, and press play on your phone. So now this is recording anything that is playing off your phone onto Sharefactory. So I recorded for about 10 seconds. Let's go ahead and stop this. Then I'm going to unplug the auxiliary cable and I should be able to hear this now. If I go ahead and rewind the timeline. So let's go ahead and play this with R2.
Today in this video, I'm going to...
There we go. It is playing in the background. So we should be good to go. If you added any kind of music, the music should now be on the PlayStation 5 timeline, and you can literally do this with any songs. If you are going to be uploading this to YouTube, make sure it's copyright-free song on YouTube. You can go ahead and just type that in. So these auxiliary cables are relatively inexpensive. You can pick them up at Walmart or any kind of like retail store that is selling electronics. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.